If you're enthusiastic about construction but not quite sure which trade you're best suited to, then our Multiskills course is ideal for you. This course is full-time for 1 year and will give you a fantastic overview and chance to experience a variety of trades in our extensive practical workshops and classroom facilities. You'll soon get to grips working across a range of different disciplines. You'll try your hand at painting and decorating, bricklaying, carpentry and joinery, electrical, tiling, plastering and plumbing. This course has it all. You'll be assessed through practical projects and written assignments, awarding you a level 1 diploma in construction skills, and as a bonus you'll also gain other appropriate skills to enhance your employability. This course will give you a solid foundation to kickstart your career journey in construction. So what are you waiting for? Find out more about our Multiskills courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.